Is your specialized hardware apps broken by the dd40605x64 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we start the detailed troubleshooting for dd40605x64 module, you can try the official utility to assist with system-level review. This is the dd40605x64 module. Associated with specialized industrial or medical imaging hardware drivers, it manages the low-level data link for specific USB and PCIe interface cards. Its absence prevents the control software from detecting the hardware, often resulting in a device not found error dd40605 notification. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error usually indicates that the specialized hardware directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of specialized hardware to replace specific required files, such as dd40605x64 module DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the dd40605x64 module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of dd40605x64 module DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing dd40605x64 module dependencies. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for dd40605x64 module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.